Oh, that's what it is. See, I knew something was missing, y'all. Tara didn't come. I ain't got nobody to crack that whip. I can lollygag. Oh, God. Oh, she heard me. Sorry, I'm working, babe. Well, good morning. Driving. But it's on a small little dirt road, so it's okay. Yeah, so riding solo this morning. We've been promising y'all we're going to get more logs. Well, I'm going to get more logs, but Mama's a little under the weather at the moment, so we decided it best, instead of her coming over and taking the chance of getting everybody else not feeling well, and I feel fine. So, and it's a beautiful day out, y'all. This is just gorgeous. See the sun after a couple days. So Eric and I'm gonna get pulled in over here at their place, and Eric and I are gonna load up as many logs as we possibly can. So let me get pulled into their place and I'll get back to you. Just hold on. I just wanted to say, hey, I'm still doing stuff. See, I didn't lie, guys. I mean, we've only told you twice, but it was only in one video that we were coming. And we did do it. We did. You seen me pulling in. Yep. And we tested the limit of the width of Eric's driveway, which, well, we knew we'd make it in. And yeah, it's not so much the trailer. Like, I'm discovering this more and more. It's the fact that it takes 17 city blocks to turn my truck. We've got a load. Sorry. He's got a load staged up there ready for me. There was no we involved in that at all. Yeah, all of these logs are gonna end up at the ridge. Let me stop blinding you. Okay, I'll blind myself. Rude. It's not really hurting Eric much. It was...
No, take a look at this.
It was our biggest hesitation, y'all, to not. He kept trying to offer us logs, and we're like, no, you need them for your home.
So if I stand next to this pile, I'm 6 feet tall. That's 15, 20 feet wide, and
it just
5 feet high.
Yeah, and there's here, there's more up there. Like, it's all right. We're gonna figure out the game plan, but Eric got an upgrade to the old properties over here, guys.
Temporarily.
It's on temp loan for a couple months, but it's a pretty sweet little tractor.
Yeah. This thing's 20 years older than I am, and it runs better than I do. So just go figure.
They built them better back then.
They certainly did.
All right, guys. Well, we have this stack here, a couple logs here, a couple logs over there. It's all over the place. We're gonna make it work. So, all right, guys, we gotta get to work. Quit yakking and just. Oh, that's what it is. See, I knew something was missing, y'all. Tara didn't come. I ain't got nobody to crack that whip. I can lollygag. Oh, God. Oh, she heard me. Sorry, I'm working, babe. Okay, so we got two up there. Not quite working the way that we thought it was gonna work. We were hoping I know it's a little tractor. We kind of, typically your PTOs have a lot more power, you know, than say a bucket would, but this is a hay raking tractor. So we did fine. I lifted one end, because trying to roll them, these logs are still kind of wet from all this moisture we've had, and they just slide. So we're gonna try this method. This seems to be working. Lift one end, kind of pinch it on the trailer, and then go to the other end, lift it up. And if we lift one end at a time, pivot in, the tractor seems to hold that pretty well. Like I said, we may end up, and it looks very probable that Blue's gonna make a trip over here. We were trying to not do it that way just because it's an extra trip, but I'd rather just be able to do it that way. I can pick them up with Blue and throw them right on the trailer. So we're gonna load up what we can today. All is not lost, y'all. So
No.
keep your eye out for the next set of shenanigan techniques, because we're bringing out all the tools. We got the bars and the crowbars and the bigger spuds, and it's gonna be a good time. So what we're gonna do is take these and we're gonna cut them down to where they're 16-ish, see what we get. I mean, pretty much anything over 8 foot is gonna be fine. So however these break up into lengths.
That's two 16-footers.
Well, look at there. That works out way gooder. So we like 16, so that's what I'm going with, because that's what the mill will cut, right? And our idea plan is, say, one long pass is better than a bunch of small passes. We can cut them down from there, and we always need shorter lumber when we're done anyway. So that's gonna be the next step, is we're gonna go ahead and lop some of these logs, get them ready to haul up on there. Looks like there's a couple more that'll get lopped up. But we want to go with the biggest ones on the bottom, knowing the tractor can't lift very much, because we know some of these smaller ones, it should be able to lift it up and set them on. That's the theory. It sounds good on paper. Let's see how well it works. I'm thinking we have 2 more spots for logs.
Put 2 more spots in there.
For right here.
Sounds like a plan.
So y'all heard it. It's official. That's the plan, right? Now let's see how well this goes. Okay, 11 logs, yo. That's, I don't think really what we planned on. I mean, we were both hoping for more, but limitations of the tractor and safety. So that's definitely confirmed. Blue's coming next trip, and we're gonna make this a whole lot easier and much safer. So, all right, we're gonna get this strapped down. We're cinched down, so it'll just be a matter of getting Eric's stuff put away and making sure we got all the tools accounted for. But I told y'all a little sneak peek, right? Check out the stand. He's got the battens, or boards, sorry, boards on one end, and got the purlins on the other so that they can close off these first 2 sections. This one will stay open. Eventually the way it'll be is walk-in cooler, food prep kind of outdoor kitchen-y area, and then fruit stand.
I am very thankful that nothing is broken. especially on us.
All right, well, we're gonna go get our last little bit of stuff we need from here, and then y'all know what time it is, because it's Eric and Missy, right? So going to feed the bellies.
Well, good morning from the ridge.
Good morning.
Oh, it's cold.
It's actually warming up. I'm almost like I need to get rid of this hat, and if we start doing too much, I'm gonna be dumping this coat here real soon.
I'm 3 layers in and I'm still cold.
I don't know how.
But it is getting warmer and the sun is shining, and that makes a world of difference.
That beautiful thing blinding us right now is what's made the difference this morning. As everybody's aware, we're about to get into a big freeze, y'all. This coming weekend, it's gonna be nasty. And so we've kind of got to divert priorities a little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit. We have 2 days to prepare for really, really cold weather. So we need to take some measures, albeit not permanent measures, temporary measures, to make sure that things don't go. Yeah,
it's enough to get us through the winter, because we know we still have more work to do. But you know, one big priority, getting skirting or underneath the house, because the wind itself, being able to get underneath the house, definitely causes a lot more troubles than the low temperatures will. But the wind, getting the wind out of there. So anyways, we're gonna skirt it. God, that was a lot of words.
I know.
All right, guys, we're going to get at it. Just be prepared. We wanted y'all to know that this video, it's all over the place. But what's new?
Yeah.
If you're new here, you'll get used to it. We'll see ya.
I know you guys can't see him under there, but he's he's way under. What do you need, babe?
Hi, people. I need one nail.
One nail. One nail. Where'd that come from? Did we buy it for the rabbits and not need it?
Sure. Okay, from all the way up there down to where the house ends. Obviously you don't need to skirt underneath the deck, but we got all of that in. I started taping it, but then I ran out of the tape, so we'll have to make a supply run at some point and get some more. And then I think it might be a slight overkill, probably not. What I'm gonna do is, before I kind of button up the last piece, I want to go underneath from the inside and hit all the spots of daylight with spray foam, little cracks and seams. I'm gonna, I guess, measure up and see what I can get for getting the rest of this. The good thing is tomorrow is supposed to be nice also. I mean, we want to start working back on the studio, but we'll see. So let me see what I got for some plywood chunks laying around and what's gonna fit. Okay, so I got one piece of plywood up over there and none of the other pieces I have are big enough. So we're gonna end this portion, at least for y'all. We're gonna just pause and we'll pick it up. It'll probably be tomorrow, but we've got to go get some more supplies. And I think what I'm gonna do is, well, I know what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go buy more foam board and finish up the one section down the kitchen and then the back with foam board. So, and then I think we've devised a plan for winterizing both the RVs, which is going to be a standard winterization. So that'll be straightforward, but that might be where this one's done for right at the moment, and pretty happy with it. But we need more supplies. I need more tape, more foam board. So all right guys, we'll see you.